Valentine's Day is the perfect excuse to make something rich, warm, and chocolatey. Start by chopping the dark chocolate into small pieces. Chocolate is always a good idea, especially on Valentine's Day. Add butter to the chopped chocolate and melt it using a double boiler. Keep the heat low and let everything melt slowly and smoothly. In a separate bowl, crack open 2 whole eggs. Add powdered sugar and whisk well. Whisk until the mixture becomes light and slightly thick, just like a perfect dessert should be. Slowly pour in the melted chocolate mixture and mix gently. This is where the magic starts to happen. Add vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. These small touches make a big difference. Add all-purpose flour and fold it lightly. Be gentle. This keeps the center beautifully molten. Grease the ramekin with butter and dust with cocoa powder or flour. This step helps in demolding the cake easily. Pour equal amount of batter into each ramekin, perfect for sharing with someone special. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Remove the cake when the sides are set, but the center is still jiggly. Let the cake rest for 2 minutes. Then carefully run a knife around the edges and gently demold. Dust with cocoa powder or powdered sugar for that elegant finish. Serve hot with fresh strawberries and vanilla ice cream. A perfect Valentine's Day dessert to make for someone special. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone you love, subscribe to Reels to Meal, and thank you for watching.